To draw the flower of life, we will be needing a compass, any sheet of paper, a ruler and a pencil. First of all, we need to find out the midpoint of this paper's width. For that, we'll use a ruler, and after doing that, with any random radius and taking this particular point as the center, we'll draw a circle. This circle is going to cut the line drawn at 2 points. From one of those points, taking as them center, we'll draw another circle which will intersect the previous circle at 2 points. Again, we'll draw another circle with the other intersection point. Next, we will mark the intersection point of these circles on the outer side. Again, taking these intersection points as the center, we'll draw 4 circles. Now, after drawing the 4 circles, in this way, we will be having a total of 7 circles. This is the first layer of flower of life we'll be having with us. Again, to add more layers, we'll mark the intersection points of these circles on the outer side, and taking these intersection points, we'll draw another ring of circles which will add one more layer of flower of life to it. Have patience while drawing the circles, as it may boggle you while drawing so many circles all at a time. It is a practice of patience. Again, we'll mark the point of intersections of the outer circle, and in the similar fashion, we'll draw another ring of circles. This will keep on increasing the number of flowers of life, and thus the pattern whichever you are intending to make, you'll get after that. Are you noticing that the flower of life pattern is increasing by each ring of circles? Again, we'll mark the intersection points and add one more or 2 more rings of circles in the same fashion. Isn't it interesting to make so many circles and getting patterns? At last, we are gonna encage these flowers of life within a hexagon. For that, we'll be using a ruler to complete the edges of this hexagon. We are done with the pattern, and you can create as many layers of these flowers of life. Happy drawing!